morning!
To the best family on YouTube! Rawr. You can't put that in because that's copyrighted. Like, super.
I wasn't gonna say that.
Oh, look at what she's doing. Oh, I need to look good on the camera.
Duh, why would you want to look bad?
Powder.
Hi everyone! So today is the day of the barbecue, and I am here today by myself.
Hi guys! Slowly
Okay, it's not even that funny, it was their idea. Anyways, so yeah, let's get out of here. They're deciding which place to do the puja before we begin our barbecue.
म सबै देवी देवताहरूलाई यहाँ आह्वान गर्दछु र जय गरुवा ओम शिव पूर्व पश्चिम हैन त पश्चिम दक्षिण ल अब आज हाम्रो पार्टी चाहिँ शुद्ध होस् शान्ति होस् सुख शान्ति होस् सफल होस् सुखमय होस् र जय बस्नु
Jenna, are you my workout for the day?
Jenna, look here.
She's gonna use it.
Cheese!
Okay, brave like Superman. Brave like Superman.
Go like this. Okay, let's hang it on the tree.
Today we're here selling raffle tickets for a good cause. That good cause is there are 4 girls who need money for a scholarship. So by selling raffle tickets, we're helping them out, and so that they'll get a chance to have a good education.
And why is girls' education so important?
Well, many girls have changed the world by getting a good education, so it's important that everybody gets that chance.
This is a painting that Aisha did. Do you want to explain a little bit?
Okay, so this painting is like, it's what I believe women empowerment, like one form should look like. So all these different hands, they're lifting up the woman towards her goal, and so that she can do what she wants in life. And I think that's important that we should do that, like for anyone. We have to help out other people so that they can achieve their goals, because we don't know what they can do.
That's awesome. Beautiful, beautiful. So please buy it, buy it, buy it. How old are you, Aisha, by the way?
I'm 13.
13, and this is her masterpiece. Like, what? 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 She was just explaining, San Uncle, what the X for woman stands for. Are you curious? Akriti, what does the X in woman stand for?
Isn't that just because it doesn't want to be like direct from man?
No?
Kind of. Okay, basically it's like, tries to be inclusive of all, like
all different types of women. The gender you're assigned at birth is your sex, and your actual gender identity is how you feel. So cis females are people who are born female and they feel female. Trans female are people who are born male or intersex and they feel female.
Yes. Bujo, yes. Well, the whole thing is like, we don't even use that term or like have these conversations in especially in like Nepali South Asian communities. So this is just like,
it is important.
It is, yeah, exactly. Hey, Moi's here.
Oh, hi guys.
Juan's here. Came through. Kripa's here. Namaste, namaste. These guys are at every Nepali party. What the heck?
Nepali now. Unofficial
$15 for each, or plus any
15 plus 20. I'll give it 20.
20?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Definitely sure.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you guys.
Yeah.
And again, this is Moi. This is Juan.
Oh, I heard so much about you
Oh, really? Sure.
on the Facebook.
Oh, it's good things.
Oh, it's always good things.
Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy, okay?
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye, namaste.
Come to the photo booth.
Dylan, go ahead.
Hello.
Like your ponytail.
It's a braid.
It's a...
We might have a whole family.
Or if you want black. I know you don't want it black. Is that what you like?
What is it?
What is that? It's called. It's literally just...
Sorry. This crew. This crew.
You guys ready for some pictures? Over here.
Lazy girl power. Yes.
Power. Power to the people and the women. 1, 2.
You there?
Over here.
2. No one said it's the smile. Smile? We smile? We smile? Be friendly?
के भयो गेममा सुरु भइसक्यो
Yeah, we're doing the yes.
What time?
Namaste, how are you?
I'll give you this in a different plate.
Otherwise, you can. Any fork? Any fork?
I do have.
Babu, namaste.
This brown is beautiful.
Brown is beautiful, man. Intersectionality.
I'm good.
And remember Shanti? Yeah, her grandmother made, her mom made that. I know, man. Fruit art.
Give me your hands.
Hey, Miss Attitude. Miss Attitude. What? Jenna, show us a split. Show us a little preview for your gymnastics. Oh.
Whoa.
Such a good girl.
And like you're growing and like you're about to, you know when you're in the movie it's all about the angle.
Yeah.
You just
Show me the angle.
and you
Show me your
put your hair up like this. I'm like I just had a moment. How do you zoom in this thing?
Like this.
Alright.
I'll do it in slow mo.
Yo, this is like part of me growing as a person, and an analogy on the tree behind her represent her growth, her ambition. Like, damn, she's been through a lot, and now she's doing spoken words. Very grounded, like the tree. Picture of your feet. Yup. See, just like the tree.
Okay, you're gonna take all my memory away.
I love making movies.